Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log out from hacked WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, open WhatsApp and try to log in again using your phone number. Enter your number and complete the login process. If you cannot log in, tap the three dots at the top right and select Help. Explain the issue clearly, such as login problems, forgotten password, or any unusual activity affecting your account access. Once you regain access, tap the three dots again and go to Settings. From there, select Account and enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security and helps protect your account from future unauthorized access. After that, return to the home screen. Tap the three dots again and open Linked Devices. Review all connected devices carefully. If you see any device that you do not recognize, select it and log it out immediately to secure your account fully. So that's basically how you can log out from hacked WhatsApp. That's it for this video. Thanks.